Hello guys, so in last video we have discussed how to solve two sum problem using brute force approach. So since in last video we have discussed the approach using brute force. So the time complexity of that approach was like n square, since you can see that like this for loop will go in n times and this will go for n times, so n into n into is equal to n square. Okay, so now let's discuss a new approach, that is optimize approach using an order map. Okay, so from that we can solve this problem in of n. Now 2 7 11 15. Okay, so before starting that, let's say what if I will say that a plus b is equal to k, then can I also say that b is equal to k minus a. Okay, and vice versa. So what at any point of time, like let's say at hypothetically at this point, what if this is an answer? Okay, so if this would be an answer, then 7 plus a is equal to 9. Then there should be 9 minus a, sorry, 9 minus 7. So a is equal to 2. So if at this point, at 7, this point, or at any point I found a number such that k minus that particular number is already present in the list or not, then we can say that that number plus that number is equal to our answer. So I hope you are getting my point. So what I will do is like I'll start an order map. You can start with an order set as well, but let's say an order map. Okay, so first I will go to this index I is equal to 0. Okay, and I'll check that 9 minus 2 is present in an order this map or not, that is already visited or not, something like that. Okay, then 9 minus 2 is 7. So as our map is empty as of now, so this will return false. After that, what I will do, I will insert 2 in our unorder map. Okay, with its index. So mp of 2 is equal to 0 with its index. Now at 7 I will go and check if 9 minus 7 is present or not, that is 2. So this will return yes, mp of 2 is present. Okay, so that we can say that in this list there are two numbers that are present, and that sum can up to be like our k target number with. Okay, now it's time to code it. Okay, and after that I can give you another example to explain it. Okay, so let's n equal to nums dot size and number to find. Now we just simply check if mp dot find number to find is already present in this map or not. Okay, and if this is present, then what we will say, okay, we will answer dot push back mp is equal to what dot find and answer dot push back I and return answer. Okay, okay, I think we made some mistake. we just forget to insert in that particular map. So every time we need to insert that number in map. So we got our answer. So now let's discuss the time complexity of this solution. So the time complexity of this solution would be n. The outer loop will take n operations, okay, and the inner loop just to compare. So in unordered map, we can say that comparing, finding a particular number or getting that particular number's value is of one time complexity average. Okay, so this n into this is equal to O of O of n. So I hope you you like the solution. Let me know in the comment. Thank you.